Today, we're diving into a question I've been getting a lot lately. Can I transfer USD to YouTrip? Now, if you're new to YouTrip, let me give you a quick rundown. It's a popular multi-currency wallet that lets you spend in over 10 currencies without any conversion fees. So, if you're traveling or shopping online, YouTrip can be a real lifesaver. But can you transfer USD directly to it? Let's find out. The short answer is no, you can't directly transfer USD to your YouTrip wallet. However, there are a few workarounds that you can use. Using a credit card. One of the most common ways to add funds to your YouTrip wallet is by using your credit card. You can simply add your card to the app and make a top-up transaction. The funds will be converted to your desired currency, and you'll be ready to spend. Keep in mind that there might be transaction fees from your credit card company, so it's always a good idea to check your card's terms and conditions before making a top-up. Using a bank transfer. Another option is to transfer funds from your bank account to YouTrip. This usually involves providing YouTrip with your bank account details and making a transfer. However, there might be processing fees, and it could take a few days for the funds to reach your YouTrip wallet. It's important to note that not all banks allow transfers to YouTrip, so you might need to contact your bank to confirm if this is possible. Using a peer-to-peer transfer service. If you have a friend or family member in the United States, you could consider using a peer-to-peer transfer service like Wise, formerly TransferWise. You can send USD to your friend, and they can then transfer it to your YouTrip wallet. This can be a convenient option if you have someone you trust in the US. Key points to remember. Conversion fees. YouTrip doesn't charge any conversion fees, but your bank or credit card company might. Processing times. Bank transfers can take a few days to process, while credit card top-ups are usually instant. Security. Always ensure that you're using a secure connection when making transactions on your YouTrip app or website. So, there you have it. While you can't directly transfer USD to YouTrip, there are several methods you can use to add funds to your wallet. Whether you're using a credit card, bank transfer, or peer-to-peer transfer, it's important to consider the fees and processing times involved. With YouTrip, you can enjoy the convenience of spending in multiple currencies without worrying about conversion fees. So, if you're planning to travel or shop online, be sure to check out YouTrip and see how it can benefit you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about YouTrip or international payments, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful content. Until next time.